Assuming you want to come in here and create subtotals automatically without you coming in here, add empty rows like this after each individual category, because this might become a little bit tiresome, especially if the data set is huge. So how do you do this very fast without going through this hassle? Let me just Control Z so that we can go back. You will click anywhere in your data set, and on your tabs here you will navigate onto the data tab. On the far right you will see the outline group of tools, and in here you see this option here that says subtotal. Click in here once. When this dialog box opens here, we need to make a few changes here so that we can see our subtotals inserted for us automatically. Now the first option here is at each change in. Of course, our interest here is at each change of the category, we want this tool to insert for us a subtotal row automatically. That's what we want, and we want to use the budget item column. Okay, so we leave it to the default what is selected there. And in here, which function do we want to use? Of course, this one has a number of functions. We can do summation, we can do count, average, and so on and so forth. But for this example, let us leave it to the summation. And the next option here is add subtotals to what? We want to add subtotals to the column that has the budget value, the spend, and the balance. So I will just place a check mark on these three columns here, and now I can say OK. Once I do that, you can clearly see that the table will expand and we shall have the subtotal rows added automatically. We can come in here and make changes to our data set. And on top of that, we also have the collapse buttons here on the sides, so we can collapse each category like this, or we can actually expand each individual categories like this, and then we look at the items that are sitting there. If you enjoyed this type of content, please leave a like or a comment on this video. Share this video with a colleague who might find it helpful. See you in the next one.